Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the latest smartwatch from Oraimo, the Oraimo Watch 6. And on this video, we are going to compare it with a previous version of the Oraimo Watch or the Oraimo Smartwatch, the Oraimo Watch 5. So on this video, we will compare the packaging, the design, dimension, specs, and UI. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the wearables. First, let's have the packaging. As you can see here, they both have the same style here. They almost have the same layout for the information here on, or the preview of the information for the smartwatch here on the packaging. We have the preview of the wearable, the specs and features here, and at the back we do have the specifications and the QR code for the smartwatch. But as you can see here, if you notice it, the Oraimo Watch 5 do have a much better packaging, more premium feel, and with a durable packaging or box. Okay, so it feels more premium for the Watch 5 compared to our Watch 6. I don't know why they switched to this type of packaging. As you can see, we already have some bent here, so cheap feeling for the Watch 6 when it comes to packaging. Very ordinary, although the style or the format here for the graphic is still the same. So when it comes to packaging, I appreciate the Watch 5 much better. It's somewhat similar to other high-end wearable compared to the Watch 6. Okay, just a simple, very thin and lightweight carton. Okay, although it has this one inside to make it durable, but still I like the Watch 5 much better. Okay, next let's have the design of the wearables. Again, this is the Watch 6 and we have the Watch 5. Okay, so let's compare the design of both wearable. So we have here, let's adjust the brightness here, brightness, and it's in its full mode. How about this one? Okay, so we have here the Watch 6 and this is the Watch 5, and as you can see here, based on the design, both do have a rectangular design. For our Watch 5, this is just a power on and off button, while for our Watch 6, this is a rotary button, so there's a function, not just an off and on button. Both do have a curved corners, slightly rounded edge. At the back we do have a pogo pin, charging cable, and a sensor here. On the side we have the speaker here. I don't see it here. Okay, here it is on the bottom part, almost on the back cover of the Watch 6. Okay, I think it is just the same because this is black, you cannot notice it. Okay, then both do have a quick release pin for its strap. And when it comes to the material, the Watch 5 do have a plastic body frame as well as the back cover, while for our Watch 6 we do have a zinc alloy body frame, middle frame, and a plastic back cover here. What I don't like about the Watch 6 is that this one it is an oil magnet compared to our Watch 5. But in terms of durability, the Watch 6 do have a much durable body frame with its zinc alloy case or material. Okay, so here's the design. So which do you think is much better? And for the size, we'll check it out later. Of course, the weight, very obvious. The Watch 5 has a lighter body frame compared to our Watch 6. And it looks more premium. Okay, the feel and the looks of the Watch 6 is more premium compared to our Watch 5. Again, let's have a closer look on the side, at the back, and on the left side. For the strap, I think we do have a free strap here for our Watch 6. We have an extra strap here, a plain strap. Going back, let's check out the dimension. For the dimension, let's go first with the Watch 6. The width here, so it is around 41. While for our Watch 5, we have 38. So much slimmer when it comes to the width. The width is 38. For the length, okay, for the Watch 6 first, we have 48.7. While for the Watch 5, it is around 47.6, just 1 millimeter. When it comes to the thickness, 11.0 for the Watch 6. For the Watch 5, it is 10.8. So just a minor difference when it comes to the thickness. But I'm pretty sure there's a huge difference when it comes to the body weight. Okay, let's see. So 0, 0 for the grams here. We have 60.62. Then for our Watch 5, we have 43.69. So it's almost more than 17 or 16 grams difference when it comes to the total weight, including the strap. Okay, so lightweight material, lightweight when it comes to the total weight for our Watch 5 compared to our Watch 6. So when it comes to the size and the weight, the Watch 5 do have a much better weight and dimension. Okay, next, let's have the specifications for both wearable. Again, this is the Watch 6 and this is the Watch 5 for the Oraimo. Alright, so after the design and dimension, let's proceed with the specifications. So this is our Watch 6 and this is the Watch 5. So for the specifications, going to put it here on both sides. We have 2.04 TFT for our Oraimo Watch 6, while for our Oraimo Watch 5, we have 2.01 TFT. So much bigger. You see minor difference when it comes to the screen display. For the pixel resolution, we have 240 by 296 pixel resolution. So this one, the 6, we have a 240 by 286 pixel resolution. For the body frame material, we have a zinc alloy body frame. This one is ABS and PC material. Bluetooth 5.3 for the connectivity for our Oraimo Watch 6. Bluetooth 5.2 for our Oraimo Watch 5. 8 days of battery life. 7 days of battery life for the Oraimo Watch 5. IP68 waterproof rated. 180M waterproof. Both smartwatches is compatible with Android and iOS, and it is using the Oraimo Health application. So we have here some details on the specifications at the back of the packaging. I'm going to show it to you. So this is the specs for our Oraimo Watch 6 model OSW807. While for our Oraimo Watch 5, so here are the specifications. So which do you think is better in terms of specifications? They almost have the same specs here. For the battery, just the same 300 mAh. I think it is more on the materials for the body frame, the design. Just a minor difference when it comes to the screen display. Okay, so that's it for our specifications. I'm going to put it here on the side so you can check it out. You can see the difference. Next, let's have the UI. For the UI, both do have the settings and options on top, notifications on the bottom part. Okay, for the left side, we have a split screen here for the Watch 6. We have a dashboard of common applications here for the Watch 5. On the right side, we have the widgets. They almost have the same design here, except for the heart rate. But I like the color and the layout here of the Watch 5 compared to the Watch 6. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so this one, there's no rotary function for our Watch 5, while for our Watch 6, you can switch or scroll using the crown button here. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the UI. Again, check out the previous comparison for these wearables. We have the packaging, the design, dimension, and specs. If you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, drop a comment below, and also watch our second video comparing the menus and features of the Watch 6, the Oraimo Watch 6, comparing it with the Oraimo Watch 5. Bye.